Hello friends, today we will learn about the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now as per the name, sieve. Now what we understand by sieve? Sieve is a container which is used to filter the required things. So here we are going to filter the prime numbers from a set of numbers from 1 to 100. Now it is the name is given after a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. So it is called the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now let's see how it works. Now as you can see, we have a column from numbers 1 to 100. Now let's begin with the number 1. Now 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we will just cross it out. The next number is 2. Now 2 is a prime number because it has exactly two factors, that is 1 and 2. Similarly, we have 3, 5 and 7. These are the first 4 prime numbers less than 10. Now using these 4 prime numbers, we will filter out rest all the prime numbers less than 100. Let's start with the number 2. Now we know 2 is a prime number. So here what we will do, all the numbers that ends with 2, we will just cancel it out. So you can see the total line which ends with 2 has been cancelled. Next, 4. 4 is also divisible by 2, and all the numbers that ends with 4 are even numbers, so they are also cancelled. Next, 6. Now 6 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. So 6 and all the numbers that ends with 6 are also cancelled. Moving on to 8. 8 is an even number, divisible by 2. So all the numbers that ends with 8 are cancelled. And the last line, 10. 10 is an even number, and all the numbers that ends with 0 are cancelled because all are even numbers and they are divisible by 2 and 1 and so other numbers. So these all are divisible by 2. The next, 5. Now let's see 5. Now 5 is a prime number, but all the numbers that ends with 5 are divisible by 5. So we will just cancel out all the numbers that are divisible by 5. Moving on, the number 3. Now here we will find out what are the numbers that are divisible by 3. Here we can use the divisibility rule that the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So starting with the first line, so here we have 21, 51, 81. Now these all are divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 1 9. So let's find out some more like this. You can see here 33, 63, 93. These all are divisible by 3. Next, 27, 57 and 87. And here 39, 69 and 99. These all are divisible by 3. Next, so 2, 3 and 5 we have seen. The left one is 7. Now let's find out, is there any number divisible by 7? Yes, we have 49, we have 91 and we have 77. So these 3 numbers are the ones which are divisible by 7. So here we can find out, leaving all these numbers, whatever are left out, all the numbers that are circled. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So these are the prime numbers from that we have filtered from the set of the numbers 1 to 100. That's why it is called as the sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve means we are just filtering out, sieving. Now, so these are the prime numbers less than 100. Now, how to remember how many prime numbers are there in the set of 100 numbers? So we will follow a secret rule. You can see here, this says prime numbers less than 100. So just remember the number, it's a secret number, 4422 322 321. We can remember it like a phone number, 4422 322 321. Now how this number comes? Here we can see the first line, 1 to 10. It has 4 prime numbers. The next line has also 4 prime numbers. The next one has 2 prime numbers, 2 prime numbers. Here we have 3, here we have 2, 2, here we have 3, 2 and 1. So if we remember this, it will be easy to find out all the prime numbers in between 1 to 100, so that we will not miss out anything in each line. So just we have to remember 4422 322 321. That's the secret number for finding out prime numbers. So this is very much useful in doing the prime factorization and solving much more problems which involves prime numbers. That's the sieve of Eratosthenes for you. Thank you and keep exploring.